My name is Paul from Appliance Service by Paul in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we're here today to talk about things that can cause your washer to vibrate. One of the things that can cause your washer to vibrate is having improper loads. This isn't your machine's fault, so we want to discuss this so you don't blame a mechanical problem on something that you can control yourself. In this load here, we have a number of items. We have some smaller claws, some terry cloth towels, and we have this one large item, a man's coveralls. These coveralls can absorb a lot of water and make a very heavy load so that when the washer spins, all the weight is on one side of the tub, which will cause the washer to vibrate. If this happens, most of the newer machines now will attempt to tumble again and reposition the load and try this as many as 10 times. Should you come and find that the washer hasn't spun out correctly, it may be that the washer wasn't able to balance that load. So before you call for service, try and spin it again, make sure the load is balanced, and try and prevent putting in what we call mixed loads with larger items with smaller items. My name is Paul with Appliance Service by Paul, and we've been talking about things that can make your washer vibrate.